Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp ramen with an easy guide. This quick and simple recipe is perfect for a weeknight meal, taking less than 15 minutes from start to finish. We will gather all our fresh ingredients, including about 8 to 10 medium shrimp, instant ramen, and some vibrant vegetables. Let's get cooking. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the shrimp. Carefully peel and devine about 8 to 10 medium shrimp, setting them aside. Next, in a medium pot, heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Sauté minced garlic and grated ginger for about 30 seconds until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, pour in 4 cups of water and add the ramen seasoning packet to form your flavorful broth. Now it is time to cook the noodles and vegetables. Once your broth is boiling, carefully add the ramen noodles. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes or, according to package directions, until they are tender. In the last minute of cooking, stir in your quick cooking vegetables, like spinach or bok choy, and the prepared shrimp. This ensures everything cooks perfectly without overdoing it. Finally, it is time to serve your incredible shrimp ramen. Carefully ladle the steaming hot ramen into 2 bowls. For an extra touch, garnish with some freshly sliced green onions, a perfectly soft-boiled egg, or a tiny drizzle of sesame oil. You have just created a restaurant-quality meal in under 15 minutes. Enjoy every single slurp of your delicious, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.